Hey everyone, it's your girl D here, back again with another video. And if you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by my channel. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, share the video, leave a comment. Love to have you aboard. And if you're not too new to my channel, thank you for coming back to my channel. I appreciate you as well. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, leave a comment, do all the things. And thank you again for stopping by. I am here to talk about my next whip that I will be working on. This is number 6 of 2024. And this lovely piece is called, this is the name of it. I don't want to pronounce it because I don't want to butcher that beautiful French language. But that is the name of it. And it is by one of my favorite artists, Vincent Van Gogh. Vase Avec Marguerites at Coquelicot. See, I can't do it. I'm not even going to try it. But I know what it translates to. What it means basically is vase with poppies, or vase with daisies and poppies is what it translates to. It is a 17 by 25 inch or 43 centimeters by 64 centimeters. And it is from the company Diamond Art Club. So again, this is the canvas right here in all of its beautiful glory. As I just pan over, those poppies are gorgeous. Y'all know that red is my favorite color. So those poppies are popping. And this is a perfect piece for spring, I think. I believe this is my first still life that I've done also. Here are the poppies right there. Gorgeous. But yeah, I was thinking I'm still in that spring mode. Speaking of spring, I'm on vacation. It's spring break for me, so I'm off for the next week. So I'll be working on this. But I love this canvas, how it looks. It is gorgeous. There's a lot of confetti in it. So the details are going to be absolutely amazing when this pops out, when it's done. I will say this. Let me show you the box right quick. This is the box that it came with. And this is a square diamonds. If I didn't say that before, this is a square. And when you get your diamond painting, it comes in a box that looks like this. If this was a round diamond painting, this symbol would be round with and it'd be pink. So you get this box here. It tells you that's your 10% off code. It tells you how to diamond paint and all the things there. What's included in your kit and everything. Also, you do get, speaking of kits, you get your toolkit. This is everything that's in the toolkit. I'll show you the contents of that in a minute. And you also get a couple of stickers. This is the first sticker. This is one of the stickers that you get here. You can use this one. Some people put this on their boxes for storage. Some people make cover minders out of it. You can put this in your logbook or anything like that. So it's a perfect size for that. And then it comes with this bigger one too. I put the date on there when I'm going to start this. Today's date is 3/10. It's March the 10th, 2024. Again, you have the dimensions of your diamond painting, and you have these stickers here to put on your jars when you are kitting up. That shows like the symbols and the numbers and all that. Speaking of, I didn't say this, but this diamond painting has 41 colors. 41 beautiful colors, and there are 4 ABs. ABs stand for Aurora Borealis, and what that is a drill that has an iridescent coating on it so that those drills will shine a little bit more, and they will make the other drills around it even pop more also. So there's 4 of them. But yeah, this canvas is absolutely gorgeous. I am in love. I'm going to have to probably section this out. Sometimes you just have to peel back the paper and go. And I will do that, but I don't know. I'm kind of intimidated just a little bit, but it's not too bad. I'm really liking these vines down here as well. Let me show you where some of the ABs are located in the canvas. Oh, I didn't show you this either. Of course, one more thing before I show you the ABs. Duh, you get the drills. I mean, you get the drills. And this is how the drills come. They come in this little package right here. There's taking a look at the color story there. The drills also have like this sticker. It has the name of the canvas along with the serial number on there, because some people, when they store or when they store their diamond paintings, some people will store their drills separate from the canvas itself. So if you're one of those, I like that Diamond Art Club does this. So you get your drills. All right, now get back to the situation at hand here. ABs. There's 4 of them. The first AB is going to be in these daisies, I believe. AB, where did I see that at? Yes, 4. AB number 4. Number 4 is in the daisies. AB1 is this green here. So all over the daisies here and there. And then there's AB1 right there. The symbol clarity, as you can see, of this canvas is amazing. I just want to zoom in just to show you all the symbols. Crystal clear. As I'm scanning through, though, there's more ABs. I know. Whoops. Scan up here. More ABs up here. This AB1. This is number 1. All this green background. That's all AB. And also all around here, that's number 1. Also, I haven't found 2 yet. Just keep scanning around here a little bit. I see 1, 4, but where is number 2? 2 is like a lighter color, like a very light green. Ah, I found you, number 2. There's some sprinkled in here. And there's more 1. All this background, this green, like where the vines are that are coming off the plant, is there. AB4. 4 is all this down here. That's all number 4 right there. Again, I'm seeing more 1. There's a lot of ABs going on. Yeah, this is gorgeous. I just checked also the Diamond Art Club website. This one is sold out as of right now. It will come back in stock. You have to put in your email address to put it, to get it back in stock. But it is sold out as of right now. I'm sure it'll come back because this one's a favorite. But yeah, this is gorgeous. I'm in love. I love the blue up here too. These hints of blue that are up here, that is gorgeous as well. So yeah, I'm excited about this one. Very excited. And let me show you what you get in the toolkit, if I can do this one-handed, trying to, as I hold my iPad. I really need to, your girl needs to invest in one of those, whatchamacallits, like some type of a tripod or something. I need to invest in that so that I don't have the shaky camera, because I know I'm shaking, and I apologize for the shaky camera. I'm very sorry. All right, toolkit time. When you have a toolkit from Diamond Art Club that is square, you are always going to get these branded tweezers that say Diamond Art Club on them. And these tweezers, they have the sheath on them because they are super duper sharp. So if you make a mistake, or if you want to lay down some drills like your AB, some people will use a tweezer. You also get these baggies. Storage baggies are essential in diamond painting, because if you have any leftover drills, I store mine in baggies. Like when I kit down my last whip, I'm going to put the drills in the baggies. I do save my drills. Some people don't save their drills. Let me know what you do, if you save your drills or not, because I save mine. I learned my lesson one time. When I ran out of a color, I said never again. So I saved my drills. You also get your pen and squishy here. This is what you use to place your drills on the canvas. You have the squishy grip here to put on the end of your pen so that you're, so that it's comfortable for you when you're diamond painting. You also get wax that comes in this heart container. You get 2 of them. You have to peel the paper back, and you use this with the pen. You dip your pen in this wax, and you use that to pick up your drills or your diamonds. So Diamond Art Club is gracious enough to give us 2 of those, and I like that this comes with the container so that your wax does not dry out. You also get some multi-placers that you put on the edge of your pen. I believe that is a 4 and a 7, and that's what those look like there. If you want to, you know, to multi-place. You also finally get your boat and your stopper with your boat. So you put that on the end there, and yeah, put your drills in there, do the shake, 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 and there you go. Put your drills in there, and yeah, and then you get a magnet. This is a cover minder. Mine's a cute little macaroon. It has a magnet on the back. So what you do with the cover minder is you take the magnet off. You put this cover minder on top of your canvas. The magnet goes behind the canvas, and it keeps that paper folded back in place. So these are very essential also in the diamond painting world. And last but not least, oh, look at the washi tape. Now that's kind of cool. Washi tape kind of matches the canvas a little bit, but this is the washi tape here and what it looks like. And washi tape is essential because with washi tape, what you do is you separate your canvas out in sections so that it's not too overwhelming, especially for big canvases. If you have like a humongous canvas, washi tape is essential. If you have a canvas with a lot of confetti, washi tape is essential. Some people don't use washi tape, some people do. It's just personal preference. Me, I'm not gonna lie, I will use washi tape sometimes. I'm a washi tape girl. I am a release paper girl also. However, I like to just peel back the cellophane and go. All right. So anyway, that is everything here. I'm going to go front facing like I usually do, and I'm going to show you all the lovely colors, all the colors of this canvas. So I will see you in a bit. And I'm back. So, as promised, I'm here to show you all the drills of this canvas right here. This is what I'll be working on. This Van Gogh still life painting here. Let's take a look at all the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. Okay. Sorry if you guys don't like the crumbling sound of the paper. All right, there is 41 colors in here and 4 ABs. Okay, so let's get started here. So we have 890, 712. Let me know also if you do not like me to call all the numbers, because if not, I won't. I'll just flash them across the screen. I'll call some numbers, but not all of them. That's 728, I believe. Yep. 606. That's 772. Yep. That's that one there. You're 420. You're 420. And then you're 415. All right, so that's strip number 1. Here is strip number 2. All right. This one has, this strip really, this has like a little bit. That looks like 820. Yeah. 834. 435. 136. This is an AB. This one is gorgeous. That blue AB, that is really stunning. Yeah, that color right there, gorgeous. That's 832. 452. This one is, what is this one? 939. I couldn't see it. 3776. This one is 738. This one is 797. That's a pretty color. 798. That one is 436. 938. 736 or 739. I'm sorry, 739. And hold on, this one is 318. Let me go back. 318. Excuse me, 948. And another AB. This is 129. This is a very like yellow AB, very pretty. All right, let me see. If I close my shade, would that make a difference? There we go. It's a little dark, so that sun was a little bit too much. Here is the last strip. And it's big. 3346. And that's that green right there. This one here is 471. Here's another 471. There's a lot of that green going on. This one is 310. Another bag of 310. 100. This is another AB. This is a lot more of that green AB. Like I showed you, like in the canvas, all the background. That's where this is going to come into play. That's 666. Yes, 666. 470. I think this might be the poppy color. That's going to be in the poppies for sure. This one is 814. This is another color that I like, that beautiful burgundy color. Another 814. A 498 is this one. This is another bag of 498. This one is 762. This is a poppy color right here, 321. Another 321. A 141. This is the other AB that's white. This one is 3371. And another 3371 right there. This one is a 986. And this one is 895. So, yeah, that's all the drills for this canvas. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to kit down my last kit, and I'm going to kit up this one, and we are going to get started. As usual, I am going to post my my updates as I work on this. I'm expecting to get quite a bit of it done because I am on vacation. I'm on spring break for the rest of the week. I don't have to go back to work until next Monday, not tomorrow, but next Monday. So yeah, I'm excited. Anyway, I'm not going to hold you any long. Let me know what you are working on. What are you working on? Is it something for spring? Have you done this canvas before? Tell me, what was your experience like? If you have anybody out there have done this canvas. I have yet to see this canvas completed. So I don't know. I'm sure there's some people out there that have finished it, but I haven't seen it. Let me know what you're doing. Is it spring? Are you happy that it's spring? Are you on spring break like I am? If so, what are your plans? What are you doing? Let me know all the things. Leave a comment down below, all right? So I'm not going to hold you anymore. Thanks for stopping by my video. I appreciate all of you. Until next time, have a fantastic day.